Hi, this is a video to redeem your Test 1 code. Just to walk you through the steps, you're going to sign on with your username and password. And then once you're here, you will click on redeem. I already did it once, but that's okay, I'll do it again. And this is the code that you should have had in your content. If not, you can copy it down from here. Click on redeem. And then we want to do 2021 Adobe Certified Professional. You click on Illustrator, and then you'll want to take it in training mode. We're going to start a new test because you guys won't see the screen, but if you did see the screen, it's because you've tried to take it twice, which is fine. You can take it as many times as you like. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new test. I have already previously downloaded the GMetrix SMS, so now this time it's only going to ask me to open up the software that I already downloaded, but it will also download a file that contains all of the stuff needed for this particular quiz, or this particular practice. Okay, it's taken just a moment. It is faster than when we downloaded GMetrix. Obviously your Illustrator was closed so that it can download and set up properly. Then it'll open it for you, and it opens up the questions. And again, this one only has 7 questions. Ignore the timer, it's really not taking your time. So what you want to do is, of course, you want to take your questions, you've got your help, and I encourage you to challenge yourself to figure out the answer before clicking on the help button. Just really kind of teaches you more than if you just click directly on help button. I'm going to skip this one really quickly. I wanted to get to, come on, all right, let me mark it for review. Next. Okay. Okay, this is the one that I wanted to get to. So this one, as you can see, opens up an artboard in your viewer pane, and it wants us to change the document color mode to CMYK for printing, and then change the resolution to medium. So we of course can go to help and learn, but I do encourage you to go ahead and take advantage of the fact that you do have all of your stuff here that you can that you can poke around. Okay, so if I were going to change document color, I would try File first and see if there's anything named Document. Document Setup. Oh, look, hey, Document Color Mode. Isn't that what they're asking us for? So that is going to be where your CMYK is. So I found it not really knowing where it was going to be. So it could have been in any one of these. And of course we can use help, but I really do encourage you to try and find it and get familiar with all the different windows and tabs in your Illustrator. So we did find it. We're going to change that to CMYK. Now then, we've got that one down, and the resolution to medium. That one, I'm going to start poking around under Document Setup. Document Setup. I'm going to try Edit Colors, Preferences. Don't see anything there. Object, no, that's not going to be a type, no. Resolution. I don't see anything here. You can check each one of these. I'm kind of stumped on this one, so I think I am going to go to help and then check and see what that says. Effect, oh, we were so close. Effect menu and select Document Raster Effect Settings. So we're going to click on Effect. There it is, Document Raster Effect Settings. So we're going to click there. There it is. And look, we can verify that we are definitely in CMYK. So then we're going to change that to medium, and we're going to say OK. Then we can click on Next and see that we are correct. Yay! Okay, I did want to go back to one of the previous ones, just because kerning has been something that we have done a whole lot in the past. So I am hoping that you remember that kerning is, I think that the mnemonic device that we decided to use was the fact that kerning sounds like kernel, kernel of corn, so an individual kernel of popcorn. So with that kind of jarring my memory, we should be individual kernel of popcorn, so that means that it's individual letters. So it's not the whole word, because that would be tracking, because remember, tracking throughout. Kerning is individual. So now let's look at our answers and let's see. Angle, no. Height, no. Spacing between letters for a block of text. Now that sounds like tracking. The spacing between specific pairs of characters, that's going to be the one, because it's only 2 letters that I want to separate. So I'm going to go with that, and then I'm going to click on next, and yay, we got it correct. Alright guys, good luck. If you have any questions, email.